Hey guys, wanna know how to log in or link your Gameloft, Facebook or any other account in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, launch your Asphalt 9 application, and once you're there, on the top right you can see this small gear icon. It's the settings. Now once you're there, make sure you are under Gameloft Connect, and right here you can see this connect button. Just simply press on it, and now once you've done that, here you can see various options from Gameloft Facebook to play games. Now you can just log in and connect it just like that. Now just simply select any one of them, and after that is done, a new window should pop up. That should take you to Facebook, and then you can log in and connect it accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.